In this short video, we'll show you how to mark an invoice as paid on the InvoiceASAP dashboard. On the left side menu, click on Invoices. This will bring up the invoice list. Find the invoice you want to mark paid and click on the $ inside the circle in the Actions column. This will bring up the Payments menu. From here, you can select to mark this invoice paid with a check, paid with cash, or you can process a credit card payment by clicking credit card and hand keying in the credit card information for your customer. For this example, I'm going to select check. On the next screen, I'll enter the check number for the check my customer has given me and click on Pay. Taking this action will mark the invoice as paid on the InvoiceASAP platform. It will also mark the invoice as paid for the invoice that you've sent your customer. If you are syncing with accounting, the payment status for this invoice will be updated to paid as well in your accounting software. If you get stuck or need help with anything at all, please get in touch with our support team. You can open a support ticket by sending an email to support@invoiceasap.com, and you can also do instant chat on the InvoiceASAP dashboard when you're logged into the website. We're always here to help you.